Hello, my name is Fedor, and I'm going to show you some of the basics of Adobe Audition. I'll show you how to record your own audio, work in multi-track view, and use effects to improve your sound. Let's begin. To start recording, go to File, go to New, and select Audio File. I'm going to call this one Audition Practice. And the sample rate will be at 44,100 Hertz. To start recording, press this button. I'll record myself saying, "Welcome to the sample recording." Now if you hit the space key, you can play it back. Welcome to the sample recording. Now let's switch to multi-track editing. We'll go into Files, press New, and go to multi-track session. Set it to the same amount of hertz. Choose your location and press OK. Now I am going to import what I just recorded here, bring it here. Welcome to the sample recording. Now I am going to bring in some background music. And I'm going to trim this way down to here. And you can move this around anywhere you want. You can be on multiple track lanes, which means that you can have the music playing and the audio going at the same time. Welcome to the sample recording. If I want to make this track louder than the other one, I can bring this up. Welcome to the sample recording. And it's a bit louder. Adobe Audition also includes a lot of effects. So we can go back to this recording. Go to Effects, find Tone and Pitch. We're going to change the pitch of this recording. We can now slide these two things around.
Welcome to the sample recording.
Or we can go down to make it deeper.
Welcome to the sample recording.
Before I leave, here are 3 quick tips about using Audition. The first one is that you can trim audio by grabbing a part of it, selecting it, and pressing the delete key. Now that part of audio is gone. My second tip is to remember to use shortcut keys, because that will make your work a lot faster. A simple one is Control Z, which undoes, and Control Shift Z, which redoes. And my last tip is if things get, if there's a lot of work in here, it's useful to zoom out or zoom in to make editing easier. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I wish you luck in Adobe Audition.